My snacks are healthy!
Ha! Everyone loves junk food. So I'm better.
No me!
No me.
No me!
Me.
Hi!
I'd like something to eat.
Help yourself! I have a delicious and healthy snacks here.
What?
Huh?
I got new treats.
Donut! I need more.
I have chips, French fries, popcorn, bonbons, and jelly.
Whatever.
I have banana, blueberry, carrots, and strawberry.
Bingo!
Wow!
Cool, buddy!
Now I need something to drink.
I got grape juice.
Okay.
Here, soda for you.
Wow!
Na 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 na.
Oh no! I'm late for the class!
Hey, I can't miss you.
Oh, oh. Oh.
I made it in time.
We're doing a test on time today.
Huh? I'm so tired. I need some energy. Huh?
Take banana, it will help.
Wait! I've got your favorite candy bars.
My favorite!
What? Yippee!
I'm still sleepy. It didn't help.
Try.
Tasty!
Time's up.
Phew! I did it! What do I choose?
I have strawberries.
Oh, woohoo! Bubble gums!
No way!
And now, math lesson. You need to find the solution and put the right number of balls.
Hey!
Take blueberries, it will help. Wow.
I know! 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Good.
8 minus 4 equals 4. Ready!
Great job! A plus for you.
Hello, my friend!
Sorry.
Nobody likes your snacks.
Gym class has already started. You need to train.
Okay.
I suggested to have some snacks.
I want French fries.
Hey, no fast food.
Huh?
Oops.
Fruits are much better. Huh? I feel so powerful.
Good job. Now let's play some soccer.
Do you want some gummies?
I'm ready.
Oh.
No, it's very bad. Let's try something else.
Huh?
Let's have a competition. Danny against Grandpa.
What's that you say?
Easy peasy. I win.
Yippee!
Your turn.
No way!
Round 2. Huddles. You have to move the balloons from the one side to other.
Whoa!
I got some new candies.
Wow.
Good luck.
Ready, steady, go!
Hey! Come on!
I'm so tired.
No way!
Huh? Done.
What?
Huh?
Round 3. The final.
I'm so thirsty.
Danny, I have some soda for you.
Cool. Thank you.
Oh no, I can't run with hiccups.
Here, water will help. Thank you. It worked. It will help you to win.
Awesome!
Wow, I feel so much better now.
Ready,
Huh?
go!
Yeah, I won!
Sweet treat for the winner!
No, thanks.
Real winners
Congratulations!
Wow!